A sponge will hold the scent for longer. Don't throw away an empty diffuser. Here's how to make your own DIY air freshener with just 2 ingredients. Don't do this. If you hang up your jeans like this, they will take up less space. A great way to clean areas where the broom can't get to. Just look at all that dirt! This is the right way to roll up your sleeves. Follow the natural lines of a bell pepper to make cutting it easier. This way, the part with the seeds can be easily removed. Unpleasant odors? Sprinkle baking soda into the trash can. Then, line the bottom with paper towels before placing the bag inside. This will help to soak up liquids and neutralize unpleasant odors. A great hack for neatly storing plastic shopping bags. Every time you pull one bag out, the handle of the next will pop out. What a hassle! Crush the garlic with a hammer. An unusual but very effective method. Are your shoes hurting you? Try attaching a panty liner to the back of your foot to prevent blisters from forming.